First of all, I would like to thanks to Reskill for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, ma'am. Let's get to start. First of all, good evening to everyone. My name is Ansh Shukla, and I am a technical lead at Geeks for Geeks SDEC. So let's get started. So here is my overview. Uh, so let's start it. Now the my topic is Copilot Studio. Now what basically is Copilot Studio? So in simple terms, I would say that Copilot Studio is an AI powered tool which can help in everywhere. Like if we want to make content, if we want to make contents on anything, so we can use Copilot Studio. It will provide us an insightful things, various tools. So now starts from this. Uh, Now I discuss key features of AI, key features of Copilot Studio. Now, first of all, AI powered text generations. Now, if I want to create as a now I am a developer, I am an engineering student, and let's suppose I want to make a website. For that I want to make a navbar. So with the help of Copilot Studio, I can make it in a few seconds. I have to just type some prompt according to my needs. The Copilot Studio are able to create me a code so that I can use in my websites. So that for that, so it's time saving. Now for the second one thing is AI powered text generation. Now what is AI powered text generation? If I want to generate any text, so I can I have to just give some prompt to Copilot Studio, and he'll give me that. Now, the first of all, the first thing is that if suppose let's I want to make a nav bar for my website. So by myself, it takes 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But if I know very well I have to give some prompt, I give some prompts to Copilot Studio. So he gives me that code which I can write in 10 to 15 minutes. I can take to write that code, so he can give me in few seconds. So there was my time was saved. That's why the key features. And now the what is the use cases. So as we all know that Copilot Studios in nowadays use everywhere for their software development. Now how in software development, so as I already told that if I have some issues and I want some code snippets to use in my code, and I don't know how to write that, so I can easily get that code snippets from Copilot Studio. I have to just write some prompts like I want to make a navbar, and my navbar contains this sections. Please make a code so that I can make that navbar, and I want to use this functionalities, this kind of stuff. So it will help me a lot. Let's suppose I use a Copilot for my experience. I'll suggest that Copilot Studio is very good. For example, somewhere when I stuck in some code and in some errors and don't do anything, I just copy paste that code and put it into the Copilot Studio and ask them what is the error. Can you help me to solve this error? So Copilot Studio helped me a lot to solve the error, and is well defined that in what line of code I got an error, and in what line of code I have to use this statement instead of this snippet. So overall, Copilot Studio will help a lot to enhance your productivities. Now, second is data analysis. If you want to analyze some data. So if you want some sample data to analyze them, so you can ask the Copilot Studio that please give me some sample data so that I can analyze on that data. Now, in terms of marketing and advertising, Copilot Studio helps a lot. Now, in web development, as I already told that in web development, it helps a lot. So content creation for blogs and articles. Suppose you have to create a content for a blog, so you can hire a content creator or you can write by yourself, but you take some time to create that content for a blog and articles. But with the help of Copilot Studio, you can make in few minutes or a few seconds, I can say that. You have to just type that this is my blog and I want to create some content for this related regarding this. So he will a lot help to create that. Now the benefits I already told that it increased coding efficiency, reduced debugging time, as I know that, as I already told that, if I got stuck in some code snippets, I just copy and paste on Copilot Studio and ask them please debug this. So he helped me a lot. Now for enhanced productivity, I already told you that if your time was saved, so you can do as many as things in that time, save in that saved time. Now there's in, so that, yeah, okay, so thank you from my side. Before ending this, I want to share some prompts that how it will help me to solve, how Copilot Studio helped in daily basis. Suppose I want to make a neighbor for my website. Please give me a code snippet for making a neighbor. So as I already told that if I want to make a navbar, if I am going to create this navbar by itself, so it will take few minutes or a few hours according to my need. But if I just simply type that I want to make a navbar, so it create with the CSS properties and with HTML properties in few seconds. So that time was saved. So in that way, Copilot Studio helped a lot. So thank you.